Hey, lovely English learners. Let me ask you something that might feel a little too real. Have you ever been studying English for months or even years and still feel like you're not improving?
Ugh, that hit me hard already. Because, yeah, I've been there. Doing all the things, watching YouTube videos, reading English posts, listening to podcasts like this one, but still feeling stuck.
Exactly. So many learners feel like they're doing everything right, but they're not seeing progress. Today, we're going to talk about why that happens and, most importantly, how to fix it.
Okay, let's go deep. Why does this happen? Why do we feel stuck even when we're working hard?
One big reason is this. Most people are learning passively, not actively. They're watching, but not speaking, reading, but not thinking in English, memorizing words, but never using them in real life.
Ugh, guilty. There were times I'd binge English videos for hours, but I didn't say a single sentence out loud that whole day.
Exactly. Input is important, but input alone isn't enough. Language is a skill, and skills need practice, especially speaking out loud.
So just watching or listening doesn't build fluency?
Not unless you use what you learn. You have to move from just knowing to actually using, and that switch is where real growth begins.
All right, let's talk mindset. What kind of thinking slows people down?
Ooh, this one's big. So many learners wait for perfection. They think, I'll start speaking when I'm ready, or I don't want to sound stupid. But that fear keeps them silent, and silence slows progress.
Totally. I remember avoiding conversations because I was scared of making mistakes.
Uh-huh. But mistakes are proof that you're trying. In fact, if you're not making mistakes, you're probably staying in your comfort zone. And comfort zones don't create fluent speakers.
Wow, that hits. So it's not just about what you learn, but how brave you are to use it.
Exactly. Confidence isn't the result of being fluent. Confidence is the fuel that helps you become fluent.
Ugh, that gets. All right, let's get practical. What can learners do today to stop feeling stuck and finally move forward?
Love this part. Let's go. Check. Speak out loud daily, even if it's just 5 minutes. Check. Talk to yourself in English, in the shower, in the mirror, walking down the street. Check. Record your voice and listen back. Check. Turn every lesson into output. For example, after watching a video, summarize it in your own words. Check. Celebrate small wins, because small progress is still progress.
Oh, I love that. Especially the part about talking to yourself. I do that when cooking now, like, okay, now I'm cutting the onion.
Yes, that's perfect. It sounds silly, but it's so powerful. You're training your brain to think in English without needing to translate.
So it's not about doing more, it's about doing the right things consistently.
Exactly. You don't need more books or apps. You need more action, more speaking, more bold, messy practice.
Ugh, this has been such a powerful reminder. If you're listening to this and you feel like you're not improving, don't blame yourself.
Uh-huh. You're not bad at English. You've just been doing too much passive learning and not enough active speaking. But that can change starting today.
So start small. Speak out loud, make mistakes, be bold, and keep going.
And if you need a friend along the way, we're right here with you. Hit follow, share this with someone who needs it, and come back for more real talk every week.
Until next time, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep shining.
You've got this.